Derivative of an orthogonal matrix. We already discussed about the orthogonal matrix, and for know about the orthogonal matrix, just go through the video of linear algebra, which I attached to the I button. First one, so let's start. Derivative of an orthogonal matrix. For any n by n orthogonal matrix R, we have the formula R transpose is equal to IN. IN represent the identity matrix and differentiate with respect to time. First one, derivative R dot R transpose plus R dot T is equal to 0, because the derivative of constant is 0. So thus we get this term, and by applying the formula of inverse transpose, reversible transpose, then we get this term, and this is R dot R transpose is equal to S, which is skew symmetric matrix, and we already know that in orthogonal matrix R transpose is equal to R inverse. So that's why S is equal to R dot R inverse, and this transpose matrix S plus S transpose is equal to 0 matrix. And thus for any rotational matrix R, the matrix R transpose or R dot R inverse is always a skew symmetric matrix, which provides the fundamental link between the rotational matrices and the angular velocity in rigid body kinematics. Angular velocity matrix. Consider a vector BP which is rigidly fixed with respect to frames, or which is not changing with respect to frame B. Its expression in frame A is written as AP is equal to rotational matrix of B with respect to A BP. But if frame B is rotating, then BP will be changing even BP is constant. So after derivative of this equation, we get AP dot is equal to R dot AB is equal to BP. And then this is the velocity of P with respect to frame A, and this remains same, and this is also remains same. And by using this equation, this R, when comes to left hand side, it becomes R inverse or R transpose, and by using this equation we get ABP is equal to R dot AB, AB R inverse is AP. And we already discussed in this slide that R dot R inverse is equal to S, that is skew symmetric matrix, and thus we get the ABP is equal to S B with respect to A and AP, and this S is the skew-symmetric matrix, which is called the angular velocity matrix, and the elements of this angular velocity matrix are as follows: that is 0 minus omega z, omega y, omega z, 0 minus omega x minus omega y, omega x is equal to 0, omega x, and then last one is 0. And these are the three components of angular velocity vector, which we discussed in the rotational velocity concept.